Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound yen is definitely still up on all the higher time frames. I think what's going on here is we have an A, B, C of wave B forming. Probably going to go all the way back up to these highs and then maybe end up going down for wave C. But because all the higher time frames are definitely up, there's also a possibility that it just keeps on going up, which for me personally is why I will be only looking for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think we could have had a running flat right here, a running ABC. Looks like one down wave A, it looks like corrective up wave B, it looks like a higher low wave C. I think there's a pretty good sense that we're already heading back up to make that wave C of wave B, like I showed on the daily time frame. Then we're gonna have to try to pay attention to see if it breaks down, proving that it really is a wave B, or whether it just continues higher highs, higher lows, proving that the higher time frame uptrend is still active. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.